If there's one vertical that virtual reality has been leveraged in tremendously and has had great benefits, it's BIM, which stands for Building Information Modeling, and it's used heavily in the planning phase and during the construction phase and also post-construction as well. But what it's allowed for faster approvals and better client interactions and happier clients. So a lot of times when virtual reality is used in the planning of building and construction, it eliminates a lot of the wasted space. It eliminates a lot of the things that construction and architects think that they might need, but they really don't. And it also allows for people to have a spatially accurate awareness of what a building or construction is going to look like and the end result of that. So I think that it has great value in construction and architecture and engineering.
Mixed reality being used for construction's a really big impact on the industry because it shows that it's not specifically for media and entertainment. It shows it's a practical tool that every industry can use to show and develop concepts and ideas.
There's a huge use for VR, not only using programs like CAD to kind of essentially map out where things are going to be, but with VR you can actually see things that don't exist yet. So in terms of putting up a skyscraper, putting up a building, a lot of things that matter to people are views and what the buildings that are being constructed are impinging on. So if you can actually put a headset on or something that you can view virtual reality in to see what's going to be affected and see what your views are going to be like after, I think for construction planning is exceptionally critical for people that want to really know how putting something up is going to be affected, and the use of virtual reality to see something before it's there, I think really has a lot of power.
Traditionally in architectural firms, traditionally bring in a company to produce a 3D render of the building before it's been constructed, which is then composited into, say, a photograph of the street where it's going to be. That's been the method that's been used for many, many years. Now, with VR and mixed reality, you can basically do the same thing. You create the 3D model, but instead of looking at it as a 2D image, you put the headset on, and the advantage of seeing it that way far outweighs the older ways, because you can put yourself on the street, anywhere on the street, look around, see it from different angles. You can go inside, go on a tour, check out all the rooms, as though you're actually there. So